Breaking crypto news. I've got a video for you guys. I'm going to be talking about Dogecoin, giving you guys a quick update on my thoughts on Dogecoin, where I think we could be headed here. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so we are starting off looking at Dogecoin on the daily time frame. And guys, I have to be completely transparent with you. It looks bleak to be a bull in the short term, okay? And I want to emphasize on the short term because I do expect Dogecoin to perform at some point. But when you're looking specifically at price, specifically at technicals here, we have broken below very, very important support levels here. And we are below the 20-cent price level, trading at basically 19 cents right now. You really, really want to see us reclaim this 20-cent price level. And I do believe that's possible, especially with how this overall phase 3 of this bull market has been very, very trappy behavior. First it's a bull trap, then it's a bear trap, then it's a bull trap, then it's a bear trap. You guys get what I'm saying. But we do need to be paying attention to where Bitcoin is, where Bitcoin dominance is, where the total cryptocurrency market cap is, which we'll take a look at shortly, to really be getting a better idea of where we think that Doge should be heading, okay? But as of right now, I am short on Doge for the short term. I do expect us to potentially make a break to the downside. If we do see a daily candle closure above about 20 cents, I'll be stopped out. That'll be my stop loss, very, very tight. Right now, guys, I am doing high leverage scalping, and I'm really hedging against a lot of my spot positions to the downside. But when you look at this, you do see that. Look at this, guys. Like this happened exactly as I predicted here. We came down, we broke down. I said, hey, guys, it's time for some relief. Into March, we saw relief, and I said, you know, if Bitcoin doesn't reclaim 94,000, we just tap it. We probably come further down. That's exactly what happened. And also, this move was because of the news about the digital crypto asset stockpile the U.S. is going to be doing, where they're including Solana, XRP, Cardano, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Not Dogecoin, though. Pretty funny, but I'm kind of happy that it wouldn't, because it is a meme coin. You know, I like my meme coins, but there's a time and a place for meme coins, guys. I am strictly a altcoin and meme coin trader, and I am a Bitcoin investor. I like to make money with my altcoins and put it into Bitcoin. And if you guys do want to take advantage of this volatility, because I do expect some big volatility with Dogecoin here, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, as well as there's a $5.6 million trading competition going on right now. $5.6 million prize pool. So if you sign up using my link down below, you become a part of my team. And the more trading volume our team does together, the more money we will have access to. So check that out down below. I really do think there's going to be a lot of volatility here, guys, in the coming months. So we'll take a little bit of a look at it, but take advantage of some of that volatility. So Dogecoin is sitting at rank 8, down 8.77% in the past 7 days, and down a whopping 16% in the past 24 hours, trading at a $28 billion market cap, guys. That is a big deal. That is a big deal. When you look at where we've come from here, guys, we're talking about, I believe, close to a 70% drawdown from all-time highs this cycle to where we're at right now. Yeah, we're talking about a 62.37% drawdown. That is a big deal. Now, I will say, I'm going to be the broken record and say it is not uncommon to see during bull markets, emphasis during bull markets, to see Bitcoin do 30% drawdowns and altcoins make 60% drawdowns on the way up. That is not unheard of. Now, I will say, I do think this time is a little bit different, and I would say there's a 50-50% chance that either we're going in a mini bear market for Bitcoin, or the party's going to be over until the Federal Reserve pivots and we move more towards a quantitative easing and more of a risk-on asset-friendly environment. And right now, guys, we're not in that. We are not in a risk-on asset-friendly environment. We are not. There's a global trade war that's brewing, all these tariffs happening. We're talking about inflation increasing. We're talking about quantitative easing not beginning yet. Rates are high. It's tough out there. There's not a lot of liquidity flowing around for the retail investor. There's not. It's as simple as that. And a lot of people are looking for a flight to safety, and Dogecoin is not a flight to safety. I hate to say it, but it's the truth. It's a meme coin. It is a vehicle to make money, basically to gamble on meme coins, to be honest with you guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance, because Bitcoin dominance is really just chopping around. It is so uncertain. I keep saying this, like my analogy is that Bitcoin dominance is trading like the S&P 500 right now. It is like flatlining at highs, and it can't make its mind up because it can't digest this news about this global trade war. It can't digest it because one second there's going to be tariffs. Then the next second, no, we're going to hold off on the tariffs because we're negotiating. We're going to hold off on them for another month. And then it's actually, no, we're starting it today. And so it's very, very whipsawy. And it makes sense because it's for risk on assets, guys. You know, when the tariff talks seem like they're going away, it starts to break down and altcoins are performing better. When the tariff talk is talking like it's going to be happening right now, then it starts to move to the Bitcoin dominance starts to move to the upside because people are looking for safety. I do also want to take a look at this. This is the total crypto market cap, all right, guys? We are trading on we are low here. Like we're trading at about, like I don't want to see us go any further below like 2.38 trillion. Let's put a little line there for a better visual on this. Like 2.38 trillion here. 2.4 is fine too. Really don't want to see us break below that. I think that we are definitely looking at a local top here for the entire cryptocurrency asset class. And it's such a crazy time right now because all it takes is one tweet, one post on social media from the president of the United States, and then bam, new all-time highs. It's as simple as that. And we saw that play out with Bitcoin. We saw this big move to the upside, this big relief rally, and well, now it's all a race. It just takes a tweet. It just takes a post. It takes Jerome Powell coming out and saying, hey, we're going to start quantitative easing. Hey, the tariffs are not happening anymore. Everyone negotiated. We're good to go. Next thing you know, that turns into a mini bear market instead of it turns into a local top instead of a macro cycle top, okay? And it's a very, very, like there's a 50-50 chance. There's a risk to reward ratio here. And right now, this is why I've been taking profit along the way, guys, because do you want to be, if you don't take any profit, all your eggs are in this basket. You really want to bet your entire cryptocurrency portfolio on a 50-50 chance? I don't. That's why I've been taking profit along the way, and I still have crypto, obviously, because there is a 50% chance that this does turn around and go to new all-time highs. But right now, I am trying to mitigate my risk and maintain my wealth. It's as simple as that. But when you look at Bitcoin here, we came all the way up to 94K. We rejected off exactly as I was saying. I expected this move. This is a local top in my opinion, and I expect this to probably further break down, maybe test this level around 73,000. But March 7th, guys, at the White House, the White House is basically in the U.S. It is where the president lives. That's where like the big events happen. They're having a crypto summit. They're going to talk about crypto on March 7th. Maybe they say, hey, we're going to be buying 1 billion Bitcoins. You know, maybe they come out and say, we're going to spend $1 trillion on accumulating Bitcoin. If that doesn't send us to new all-time highs, I don't know what will. So you guys get what I'm saying. It is a very, very tough time right now. It's very tough to predict markets right now. And we'd have to see how this price action plays out, and you have to mitigate risk. That's why I am short on a lot of altcoins below support with very, very tight stop losses to hedge against my spot positions that I have left. And I'm prepared to get stopped out on them, and I'm also prepared to get paid out on them. So that's just my thesis on Dogecoin and the entire cryptocurrency market right now. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Please go follow me at 333blacksea on Twitter. Guys, right now, Twitter is where you need to be, especially because all it takes is one post to move the market significantly. There's a lot of insider-esque information that gets leaked onto Twitter. Very, very, like, that's the first place. So please go follow me at 333blacksea on Twitter if you want to be in the know. I'm very, very active over there. But that's all I got, guys. Check out Blowfin down below, $5,000 sign bonus. Take advantage of this volatility because there is money to be made when the market is going down and or going up. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.